The art of giving to the art of living. Bollywood was out this weekend celebrating its spiritual side.
It was a spiritual Sunday for many celebrities in Mumbai, as they took part in the Art of Living special event to promote a society free from violence and stress.
The minute my children leave the house till the time they're back in, I am always worrying about, their protection, and we need a modern day Maseha, and people like this yesterday help. And according to me, my respect for him even double folds to see the kind of work that he's doing and the work he's already done. Whether they're villages or they're cities or wherever he goes, world over, he's touching people day in and day out.
God has been kind that I got opportunity to come in connection with the Guru and Adharaniya Ravi Shankar ji. I respect him for his teachings of pranayama.
For many of these stars, it was a break from the usual parties, promotions and clubbing weekends.
The music is lovely and it's very nice because the people playing the music are really young people and they play it in a really groovy sort of way, so it becomes lots of fun.
It's always amazing meeting Guruji and being able to spend time with him and to see the positivity, the happiness in the people. I mean, it was a large crowd today and they were all just so good and so happy.
Not just the Bollywood fraternity, but other known faces could also be seen soaking in spirituality. Perhaps for some, it was a relief from controversies.
Well, the fact that I have a way of life that actually enables me to be the best that I can on a daily basis is really what enables me to go through ups and downs in my career. I find that with tennis, it's a very highly strung sport. You're always in the media eye. You live in like a fishbowl environment. So really, my meditation, my Sudarshan Kriya, my way of living, clean living, really on the inside, projects the way I live on the outside.
After all, we don't always get to see glamorous faces dance to music for the soul. With Divya Unni in Mumbai, Soumya Katathil for NDTV.